Okay guys, you're almost there. This is how to use your text tool. Surprise, surprise, you're gonna click on this big T down here on the side. That's how you're gonna get your text. Okay, you can either select the type tool, which is gonna type horizontally, or if you want your text to type vertically down the page, you can use the vertical tool. You'll probably just use that T. And then up top here in the menu, this drop-down menu is your different style fonts, and there's a preview of every type of font. So pick one that's going to work well with your drawing. I'm going to use this real bold one, Distant Galaxy. And then you can just click anywhere down on your collage and type out something. So Air Jordan. All right, now this is very small, so in order to change the size of my text, I just highlight the text, I come up to size, drop down menu, and I can stretch it out as big as I need it. The other thing you might want to do is change its color. There's this little black square. That's where you change the color of your text. Remember, light colors on dark backgrounds and dark colors on light backgrounds. It's going to be best. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's make this pink. I like pink. Okay. Click off of it to see what it looks like. And there you have it. You can also move it around. So in order to move it around, you need your mouse will turn into what's like a crosshair like this. It looks like instead of being an arrow or like up and down like that, it's a crosshair. And that's how you know you can move it around the screen where you want it. Okay, that's your text. Good luck.